Hello everyone, today we will stretching our back hammock of our legs, starting with me. First exercise which we're starting to do, we will slowly starting stretching for first legs. 1, 2, 3. Take another leg more higher on the feet and start stretching 1, 2, 3 and trying to 1, 2, 3 and let's go on the back. Take it one leg and stretching for this 1, 2, 3. Change leg 1, 2, 3. After that, takes two legs together. Takes our hands and starting stretching 1, 2, 3. After takes hands more backs 1, 2, 3. After that, we'll starting stretching, taking on the feet. Take another feet like that. Takes feet and starting to stretching because there is more stretch. 1, 2, 3 and relax. Take our hands more behind. 1, 2, 3. Let's change our legs. Takes left leg more behind and do the same. We'll do pushings and relax. After that, takes two legs and slowly relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and stand up. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will hope that you like it and bye bye.